What's going on, guys? So first truck meet of 2021, Alabama truck meet at Montgomery Motorsports Park, and we're actually bringing Baby Squat and Larry. So there's a lot to do and not much time. So this whole thing has got to get fully detailed. We're going to change the look up on it as well. It's super filthy. It's a daily driver, and it's ruined, especially the inside, thanks to Miss Dally and Houston. Thank y'all so very much. Y'all are constantly keeping the inside of my truck absolutely ruined. So as you can see on the side as well, I mean, you could literally write stuff on this thing. It's not even the right color white. We're gonna be jumping all over the place in this video, but we got 2 afternoons left. Get the truck ready. Saturday morning we'll get Larry loaded up, be on the way. As you can see, totally filthy. So let's fix it. And just like that, we're all vacuumed out, looking a lot better without the tons of dog hair and stuff in here. But all of our plastics are still looking gross with a bunch of dirt and grime and stuff. So it's time to hit up a detail interior spray and get this thing looking much better. And that's so much better now. I need to get the floor mats out and actually like scrub them with soap and stuff, but we got our door, our dash, our center console, everything looking so much better. First time using chemical, guys. I do think I like the Shine Supply product better. Maybe I just didn't get the right one comparable to the Shine Supply stuff that I used. This stuff cleans good. It just doesn't really give it a nice back to black kind of look that I feel the Shine Supply stuff does. But overall, it smells good. It cleaned up good. The truck is actually presentable in here, and that's pretty much going to be a wrap for the interior on this thing. So on to the next step. All right, so now we got to decide what wheels and tires we want to put on here, because I think I want to put the chromes on here because we're going to be doing something in the near future that's going to require the wides to be on here for a little while. So I think we're going to put the 24s on here for the truck meet. So let's do that. And just like that, the 24s are on here looking good. And we did add the 1/4 inch wheel spacers that I had used on Earl and the new body trucks to clear the calipers. And so it just, just a little 1/4 inch spacer, give it a tiniest little bit of poke so it's flush with the fenders and not sucked in at all. Just a nice little touch. I think that's nice. So pretty happy with it. But then again, we might want to do a big burnout. So I would need these on here because I'm not going to mess up the other tires, and I don't mind messing up these. Decisions. But I think it'll look better with 24s with this. Yeah, 24s back on. So now that we've got the 24s on here, the front looks a little odd because we do have all the black and white. There's no chrome up here. So let's fix that real quick. Just a touch of chrome goes a long way, in my opinion. So much better. So I really doubt I'll actually pop the hood on the truck at the truck meet, but for the sake of just having it clean in case someone wants to see the intake or something, I'm going to do it. Because I honestly don't think I've ever cleaned the engine bay on this thing. And it's pretty dirty, but it's not, in the grand scheme of things, it's not that bad. So anyways, we're going to be using the same stuff we used on the inside. Clean this baby up real quick. Just a quick wipe down, get everything somewhat back to black. Some of the dust moved off, probably like garbage out in the daylight, but not too shabby. I've actually got a lot of junk up underneath this, so yeah, that kind of stinks. I'll have to take that off to clean it, but ain't worried about that right now. Since the track is actually closed and we're not going to be able to race this weekend, let's go ahead and put our 87 performance tune back on here. And as well, we're going to go in here and change our revs per mile because we have the bigger wheels and tires on here. So we're going to go with the 580 revs per mile. 34.8, I'm thinking that should be accurate. They're not a true 35. I previously tried the 34.2 and the speedometer was off a little bit, so I'm thinking this is going to be the perfect number. So we're going to go ahead and slap that on here and be good to go. Time to address the exterior of this truck because it is my daily driver and it is absolutely filthy. We're going to be doing a lot of pressure washing, then hit it with a good hand wash, see how badly it is contaminated, and then probably do a good clay bar. And then I have a product that I'm going to be showing y'all that is not a wax, that is hopefully going to take place of a wax and take a fraction of the time. So let's get after it. And entirely too long in the freezing cold, we are pressure washed and hand washed, which has got a nice shine going on it. It's finally back to white. But we see a lot of these little imperfections and stuff, which some of these are like rock scuffs. Like that's a rock chip. Here's a rock scuff. So this will actually come off. A lot of these, a lot of stuff in the paint, you can just see the little dots. And y'all probably can't hear because the freaking heat's running, but you can feel it in the paint. I honestly, I haven't washed this thing really good since the last truck meet, and I don't even think I clay barred it then. I don't remember, but that's what we're gonna be doing. This bad boy right here is gonna solve all those issues. It's gonna take forever, but I'll catch up with y'all in like 2 seconds. And a whole bunch of elbow grease later, we are clay barred, looking absolutely killer, minus some rock chips, but got all the contaminants out of the paint. And next up is this stuff, ceramic wax. So what I saw is we're gonna take the truck back outside, spray the whole thing down with this stuff, and then spray it with water. Larry's Chariot has arrived. That's actually pretty, it's kind of a steep launch.
Ain't no boat launch. Larry's gonna have a problem getting up here, dude. He's four-wheel drive, right?
Probably, from all the comments, that thing ain't got enough power to crawl up on this trailer.
Four-wheel drive, so we're good.
It's got 4 tires. I guess I should put the whip down. You think that'll hit bridges?
If you wanted to, dude, it would be close. Can we just lay it over?
Yeah, I can bend it down in the tailgate. Looks like a Boston Jurassic Park truck. All right, boys, we got Larry loaded up, checking the straps, just taking for a cruise, see how it does. The old rent. What was that side eye for? The Ram's pulling it just fine. We installed the reverse leveling kit on it. But yeah, Larry's strapped down. Hey, I'm putting Larry's life in Gear's hand. I didn't touch the straps. I said, hey, you know how to do it. Make it happen. So he did. And she should be good to go. So if you see Larry cruising down the interstate tomorrow, take a picture, take a video, send it to me. I'll share it on my story. But yeah, I got to go back and finish up baby squat. But Larry's headed home with Gear. Gonna be going to church with him in the morning, and then we're gonna be meeting him on the at one of the exits on the interstate and cruise to the truck meet, and we should have a good time. Should be fun. So anyways, I'm gonna go finish up baby squat. I'll see y'all there. And you might have guessed it, since the 24s were on Earl, they're no longer. That means the 22x12s and 33s are on Earl, and it's gonna be a separate video, but I wanted to give y'all a little bit of tease because this thing, it honestly rides really good, and it's pretty freaking sick looking. It's a completely different look, but I absolutely love it, and it looks super clean. Dude's kind of freaking me out by staring at something. I don't know what. Earl's looking. Dude, Earl's looking. All right, we're gonna move this thing around. Oh! Can't see that. Can't see that. Oh! Whoa. We don't want to give it all away, but dude, a little bit of stance goes a long way. Anyways, back to the regular program. So kind of oddly, you put this on while it's wet, so it's actually kind of cool. Watch the water. So you actually just apply it, and you can literally, it just instantly starts making it wash away. So I don't know, spray it all over while it's wet, and then we will dry it off and see how it feels. We are all done. The truck is looking good. It was actually nice being down here and actually, you know, spend a couple hours detailing the truck, just chilling out, watching some videos, just relaxing kind of. So looking really good. Where's my chrome stuff? So the wheels, constantly get people asking. This is a death trap right here, water and oil. Almost died like 3 times. This is what I've been using on the wheels, and it works really good. I mean, they're shined up, looking freaking gorgeous. That spray wax stuff, it works all right. I mean, it's a nice smooth finish now. I prefer hand waxing it, like paste wax, but that was much quicker, and it worked pretty good. It's definitely hydrophobic now, where water's going to beat off and stuff, so it should be good. Anyways, it was nice to try that out, but essentially we're ready to rip. So Larry is over at Gear's house. We're going to be meeting up with him. I already told y'all that. So basically, me and Lauren are just going to load up in the morning, go meet up with everybody. We'll be headed to the truck meet. But that's pretty much everything for this video. Comment down below or leave a like if you did enjoy kind of a just laid back vloggity vlog. So anyways, felt like filming, so ended up doing it. If you see me out there tomorrow, say what's up, come check out the truck. I'll probably be cruising around in Larry. If you're gonna do a big burnout or you're gonna do tug of war, holler at me, I'll come film it. If you're gonna hit a big mud hole, let me know, I'll come film it. Just y'all see me in Larry, so flag me down if you're gonna do something cool. I'll get it on footage and you'll be in the video of the truck meet. So with that being said, hopefully y'all did enjoy. I'll see y'all there.